Hi everybody, this is TECHNolli, and today we got that giveaway. This is that giveaway that we had on my website, the Win Parts. This is that $500 computer, and this is an Intel i5-9400 with 16 gigs of RAM, 240 gigabyte M.2. It's got a Radeon RX 570 in it. It has 500 watt Thermaltake power supply, and this thing runs great. So everything's working on it, and we're going to give it away. So let's go over to the computer, to the website, and let's choose a winner. All right, here we go, guys. Thanks.
All right, guys, so here we are. We're going to pick the winner for this computer that we did, this funding for the Intel i5-9400. It's ready to go. When you get it, it'll be ready to go. So let's go over here to this website. Right here is this website that we go to, and I've got it right here. I've got all of our names in here of all the people who funded. And let's get started. And I want to thank everybody who participated in this. It was a lot of fun. I really appreciate your entries and your funding. It really helps my channel out a lot. I really appreciate all of you guys. There's a lot of you people that are supporting the channel, and I cannot thank you enough. Jeff B. There's just a lot of people that have, supported the channel in so many different ways, and I really appreciate it more than you know. So let's pick a winner from this, and we had 35 participants, and let's see who's going to win this thing. Let's get started. 4, 3, 2, 1. Joyce E. is the winner of this one. Joyce E., congratulations. You just won this i5-9400 computer. Awesome. So I'll get in touch with you. I'll send you an email confirmation. And I want to thank everyone again for participating. And if you guys have any suggestions of any other parts you would like me to give away, whether it be a full computer or just a motherboard or whatever kind of setup you want, I would love to hear your input before we get started on a new one. Okay? Thanks again. Congratulations, Joyce, and we'll see you on the next video, guys.